High-ticket affiliate marketing how-to. In this video, we will review a step-by-step tutorial to high-ticket affiliate marketing and how complete beginners are making money online right now with no experience. 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗪, the serial entrepreneur here, and welcome to this video. Before we jump in, I just want to remind that registration is limited for the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Workshop, December the 9th. You're here. Change your life with high-ticket sales coaching. It's the easiest way to learn high-ticket sales, how it works, and to make money online. So sign up for it in the link below. So I've talked about my mentor, Daniel, making $89,000 in the month of November with Zed. So let me introduce you to 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗪. Nathan quit his $87,000 a year trucking job in April of 2021. Right around the same time I quit Quicken Loans to start my own mortgage brokerage last year. But he is a six-figure online worker making 52 younger kids, making sure he wants to survive. And now as a co-creator of a course to show us this 3 simple process. It's December the 19th where all the secrets they have are going to be exposed. So go ahead and register for the training at the link that's listed in here in the description. Please leave any comments how I can help. So the purpose of High Ticket Affiliate Marketing YouTube channel is to help educate entrepreneurs how to work from home and create the passive income using side hustle ideas and high ticket affiliate marketing. If this is of interest to you, please subscribe, follow me, like notifications so you'll know when content comes out. I'm gonna try to do it daily, but please leave any comments of anything or questions I can answer. So let's get right into it. Now it says that global retail sales growth will reach $6.51 trillion in 2023. What does that mean? That means ordinary people like you, me, entrepreneurs, anybody with the ability to make money online and get a piece of the pie. But the only problem is when people get started to recommend products, they start with low commissions or low ticket affiliate marketing. So for example, recommending this book here, for example, Straight Line Leadership from Amazon Associates will make pennies on the dollar when you could be making more with the same effort. And the secret, especially for someone getting started, that has no experience whatsoever, is to tap into the high ticket affiliate marketing market because your commissions are higher in the hundreds or thousands, not pennies per sale. So get the ball rolling to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. The first step is understanding what affiliate marketing is. So very simple. Take this Detroit Renaissance High School sweatshirt, okay? Phoenix versus everybody sweatshirt I ordered. It was an affiliate company for the company that produced these Phoenix versus everybody sweatshirts. Then anybody that would buy this sweatshirt from me would get paid from it. I'm responsible for that sale. It could be word of mouth, it could be by influence. So the more people that buy the sweatshirt, you gain popularity on different areas on YouTube to get a piece of the pie, for example. So now with high ticket affiliate marketing, it's getting hundreds or even thousands per sale. So that's a beautiful thing, right, for the same effort. For me, for example, my income goals was to replace my mortgage brokerage income, needing to be happy as when I left last year. I want to make $15,000 to $20,000 per month. So seeing a figure like an opportunity to learn a skill and get all that debt paid off, I'm glad I found Daniel in October, as I would have been straight line leadership booking forever, like doing the smaller commissions to make enough. You know, you'll have to sell 20-cent commissions versus high tickets where you can sell 1 or 2 making thousands on the software course, like for example, Freedom Breakthrough. So, or a Millionaire Challenge system. So you can do it and it's pretty simple. The number one thing with high commissions though is you get fewer sales and most of the time you're doing less work. And the process is the same. They already have a sales team already in place. There's no way people that will even go on the phone for you. And every time they close the sale, you can get 50 or even 75%. Like with Jonathan Montoya, with Freedom Breakthrough, I get 75% without having to deliver the product or be on the phone or do any selling. You can do this from anywhere in the world and create passive income like in your sleep. So you guys, see my passion for affiliate marketing business. So let's talk about how to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. So the step number 1, you really need to find what's a deep rooted pain point. What do I actually mean by this? Like, you'll understand more pain that someone is going through and they'll pay more for it. So for example, let's talk about toilet paper, okay? So I need toilet paper when I go to the bathroom. What's the fix that it does? I'm able to wipe after I finish going to the bathroom. So Everybody's happy because why? I'm clean. I have used the solution of toilet paper. But if I promote toilet paper, I mean, I would make what? Toilet paper is $1 or $2. So I would make literally pennies on the dollar. So what if, for example, my head hurt, right? Same thing. I'm promoting a headache problem and I can't focus. I can't sleep. Everything hurts. It hurts so bad. I can't even concentrate. My energy level goes down. It affects my driving. I'm not able to go to school. I can't focus on anything. I'm not proactive. I'm not productive. I'm not eating. I have to go to a doctor. So it matriculates into a huge pain point. That's why doctors are sometimes make thousands to fix their pain point, because the deeper the pain, the more people are willing to spend. So you have to really identify what the huge pain point. Don't forget to register here at this link, the Elite Income Empire Program. It's one that'll give you the foundation, the basis on how to understand how to put all of this together, right? So each person is different, but it doesn't matter what program or product you're in. You could be talking about the law of attraction. You might be talking about health, wealth, make money online, how to leave your 9 to 5, but a training program to learn how to do an Instagram properly, how to do your TikTok strategy properly, how to do your Facebook right, how to monetize these things. Like, for example, they have people on Instagram that are taking products like an ionizer, right? There's this girl has an ionizer on Instagram. She's making thousands by just testing the product for the actual company, seeing if it actually works. So there's so many different products. Like, I use Digistore, in regards to Freedom Breakthrough, and there's some products on ClickBank, with different commissions levels. But just recommending different products that you're passionate in. Don't just recommend products now. There are opportunities. Like, for example, this company here, Factor, I'm now going to be affiliate for, because it's been trying to find, my business partner came in and was trying to, find that they were actually fresh food. It's fresh food that's never frozen, chef prepared. So I'm now an affiliate for that. That's how it works. When you spend your money, you actually go ahead and try to promote that company if it's something that you believe in. You can use this to pay off your student loan debt. You can use this to pay off any type of debt, your credit card debt. So if you get 10 sales a month in high ticket affiliate marketing versus like 10,000 and when you're doing lower penny sales, you learn how to create the content around this. And the biggest thing I'm a proponent for is the interest in making sure that you're attracting the right person correctly. So you want to have the attention